Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I'm coming with another new variety. Matter of fact, this variety is not that new. It is new, but I didn't have a tripod to officially shoot this video the way that I like to shoot it. So now I'm reshooting this video. And this video is of axe. So this is a green dragon fruit. And crossing my fingers, it's pink on the inside. So I have several different varieties growing on several different varieties growing on one trellis. So sometimes they can get crossed, but I know the varieties that are on there. So I'm hoping that this is axe this time around. All right, before I go any further, I'm gonna give you the opportunity to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Okay, now that that's out the way, let's get into the cutting of the fruit, the bricks number of the fruit, and best of all, the sampling of the fruit. And here it is, guys. This is the axe. Look at that. Now I'm gonna take the bricks. All right, guys, the bricks is coming in at a 19.5. It's gonna be pretty sweet. So the bricks is coming in at 19.5 on this. Now, let's cut it and take a test. Look at this, guys. Oh yes. Just to make sure that I'm hitting it on the right spot, I'm taking it another cut. Very sweet, very refreshing, very flavorful. All right, guys, so this is the axe. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, Juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.